Define the building to be calculated, the subunits and the thermal zones. Access the HVAC and domestic hot water systems section from Building Data under the Project Navigator. Using the Add, Duplicate or Delete commands, simply add, duplicate or delete the power stations or systems. The same functions can be activated with the right mouse button. For each system, specify the services being managed such as heating, cooling, domestic hot water, and ventilation. You can add or delete the services managed by the system using the Modify command. In the Generation window, characterize each part of the system and define the startup schedule. In the Distribution window, specify the thermal zone served by each system.